All it takes is some purple power, water, and a rag, and you'll get your engine looking this clean. Hello, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to clean underneath your hood. As you can see, it's really dusty and dirty everywhere. So it's a simple clean. All you need is purple power, a rag, and water. So the first thing you want to do is check all your caps to your reservoir tanks so that they're all sealed and closed so you don't get any water inside the tanks. First step is just water down your engine just to get it wet so that the dust and dirt, grease, whatever, starts to decrease and erode. Once you got your engine wet, get your purple power and start spraying everywhere. Now for this video, I'm not going to be scrubbing anything because this should take away all the dirt, grease. So I'm just going to spray it and let it soak in. And now I'm going to spray it everywhere. This stuff eats all the dirt away. You got everything sprayed. Let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes. You don't want to let it sit too long so that it doesn't dry up. Once it sits for a little, just take your water and start washing it out. Alright, so it's been sitting for a few minutes now. I'm going to start washing everything out. Now that you got everything washed out, you want to start your car so that it evaporates the water quicker. You have to start your car if you ever spray water in the engine compartment so that it doesn't lock up the engine, so that the engine doesn't get any water in it. And before it dries all the way, you want to get a rag and wipe everything down so that it doesn't leave any water spots. Get a rag and wipe everything down. This also helps get any debris or dirt that you couldn't wash out. So kind of dry it off with the rag. Once you dry that up a bit, take it on a 5 to 10 minute drive so that if there's any water by the engine, so that it evaporates. So I'm going to take it on a 5 to 10 minute drive. So I just came back from the 7-minute drive. Let's check out how clean our engine is. Now you can tell the difference between the dirty engine and the clean engine. And all I used was purple power. No dust at all. Super clean. Still got some water right here, but all you need is purple power and some water, and you'll get your engine looking brand new. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.